Hello beautiful people, welcome back to bouncy Empire. In today's video I'll be showing you how I coil my 12 inches lace frontal wig. So before I start to coil the hair, I'll first of all use an hairspray to spray all over the hair and brush it out before I start coiling, just to make the coil last longer. So before I start to coil the hair, I'll first of all separate the hair so that it will be easier for me to manage. So what I'm doing now, I will take the part that I want to coil first and pin the rest of the hair away so that I can coil the hair easily. So now I will just clip the remaining hair away before I start coiling. Okay, so now I will take the section I want to coil. Like what I normally do, I will coil the hair depending on where I'm starting from. If I'm starting from the left, as you can see me doing on this video, I'm starting from the left, so I will be coiling the hair away from the face. First of all, I will use the coiling iron to straighten the hair a bit, like 1 or 2 times, then before I start coiling. Then while I coil the hair, I normally leave the tip a little bit out. That is how I like coiling my hair, so you can do whatever you like. So just keep on watching. So now I will take the second section and coil it away from the face, as you can see me doing on the video. So I will coil some part from the left to the right, while I take from the right to the left. So that is how I coil it. That is how I will be doing it until I finish the whole hair. So now is now for me to take the hair from the right side, coil it away from the face, also just the way I did on the left side. So you can see how I'm coiling it. Same thing with the next one also. So that is how I will be coiling it until I finish the whole thing. Depending on the length of the hair, that is how there are some row. It will be 4 from the right side. I will coil it away from the left, then also from the right side. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but just keep on watching. So now when it gets to the front, I like to stay in the front of the mannequin so that I can be able to coil the hair away from the face, but now not from the back, because the ones I was doing before, I was at the back of the mannequin head. So now I will stay in the front and coil it away from the face. So you can see it more better watching the video, because I don't really know how to explain it more better. So just keep on watching, you will understand better. So also when I get to the front at the left side, I also come to the front of the mannequin so that I can coil the hair away from the face. So keep on watching. So at this point of the curly, when I get to the top of the hair, I will use my hair wax and a hot comb to lay the hair flat before I start coiling, as you can see me do it in the video. So I just use a little because I don't like using too much, just to keep the hair a little bit flat, and that is all. So when I finish coiling all the hair, I will use a hairspray to make the coils last longer. So guys, if you have watched my video to this moment and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be the first to know when I upload up a new video. So this is how the coils comes out after the coiling. So if you like my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like and share with friends and family. So when you are curling your hair, if you didn't get it the first time, don't worry, just try the second time. If you don't get it the second time, don't lose hope, just keep on trying. At least the second or the third one, definitely you must surely get it, or even better than mine. So keep on practicing it. Like they will always say, practice make perfect. So just keep on practice. If it is maybe once or twice in a week you have that time to practice, just do it anytime you feel you have the chance to coil your hair. Okay, just keep on practicing. I can assure you, with few practicing you will get it right, I bet you. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like, comment and share with your families and friends. You want to see how the wig looks on me after the coiling? Stay to the end of this video so you can see how it looks on me and not mannequin. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for stopping by, and see you in my next video. Bye.